Good evening viewers, welcome again to the Smart Learning French Language class. Today's topic, French conversational expressions with avoir. This is a very important topic of the French grammar. In today's class, I will be explaining how the avoir verb is used to express some commonly used conversational expressions in French language. Before starting today's lesson, I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it fast. If you require the personal guidance or coaching regarding French language of any level, from the school level to the college level, you can contact me. The contact details are given in the description of the video. I've designed an ebook. This is a self-guidance ebook. And students belong to all levels, from the very beginning CBSE, ICSE students who are following French language in their school curriculum, and up to the college level students who are following French in their curriculum. They will be benefited from the ebook. This is a self-guidance ebook. Almost all the essential topics are covered in this ebook. If you require this ebook or you want to take this ebook, you can contact me. Contact details are given in the description of the video. I also request all of my viewers to like and share the video lessons so that one like and share will motivate me to work hard for the next lesson. I thank to all of my subscribers who have already subscribed the channel Smart Learning. Let's start today's topic. Thank you. Topic is French conversational expressions with avoir verb. In today's class, I will be giving you the expressions at first, then I will be showing you one example, how to use this expression in writing a sentence correctly in French language. Okay. One by one, I am showing you the French conversational expressions with avoir and then example. Please take down in your copy. First expression is avoir besoin de. Avoir besoin de means in need of. In need of. Avoir besoin de. This is avoir verb we are using, and with this besoin de. I am giving you one live examples. The English meaning is in need of. This is one sentence, complete sentence. J'ai besoin de l'argent. J'ai besoin de l'argent. I need some money. Okay, this is an expression using avoir besoin de. Okay. Next expression, avoir de la chance. Avoir de la chance means to be lucky. To be lucky, English meaning. Okay. One example. Nous avons de la chance. Nous avons de la chance de regarder la tour Eiffel. We are lucky to see, we are lucky to look the Eiffel Tower. Okay. This is one example of avoir de la chance. Please take down in your copy. I am going on one by one. Avoir envie de. To want. Avoir envie de. Il a envie d'acheter un stylo. The apostrophe, de acheter, to say he wants to buy a pen, English meaning. Il a envie d'acheter, the de and is the starting with vowel, so we have used apostrophe. Il a envie d'acheter un stylo. He wants to buy a pen. Avoir faim. Avoir faim. Pronunciation. English meaning to be hungry. Vous déjeunez maintenant parce que vous avez faim. You take lunch. Déjeuner means taking of lunch, to take the lunch. Vous déjeunez maintenant. You take the lunch now because you are hungry. Okay. Is one example. Vous déjeunez maintenant parce que vous avez faim. Please take down in your copy. I am showing you one by one. Avoir honte de. Avoir honte de. To be ashamed. To be ashamed. Okay. J'ai honte qu'il ne vient pas aujourd'hui. I am ashamed of that he does not come today. Okay. Or he is not coming today. This is one example. Avoir pour. Okay. We have fear to go to school. Pour l'examen. We have fear. We are afraid of going to school for the examination. Okay. This is one example. Nous avons peur d'aller à l'école pour l'examen. Avoir soif. To be thirsty. J'ai soif, c'est pourquoi je bois du thé. I am thirsty, that is why I am taking some tea. Okay, avoir soif. Avoir sommeil. Avoir sommeil means to be sleepy. Sleepy or drowsiness. That is avoir sommeil, to be sleepy or drowsiness. J'ai sommeil. C'est pourquoi je ne conduis pas. I am sleepy or I am feeling sleepy. That is why I do not drive. I do not drive. Okay, drive the car. This I do not drive. J'ai sommeil, c'est pourquoi je ne conduis pas. Avoir tort. Avoir tort means to be wrong. Il a tort. Il a tort répondre de la question. She is wrong to answer of the question. Elle a tort répondre de la question. She is wrong to answer of the question. Okay. That's all for today's lesson. In next grammatical topic, I am coming with next grammatical topic in next video lesson. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.